Welcome to an exciting opportunity to own a brand new build in the charming gated community of Old Destin. Today, we're going to explore this 3-bedroom, 2-bath Florida cottage-style home, perfect for families and those seeking a modern yet cozy living space. This home features a spacious open floor plan with hardwood laminate flooring throughout both levels, giving it a sleek and contemporary feel. The main floor includes a cozy fireplace, perfect for those cooler evenings. The heart of this home, the kitchen, comes with a large island, perfect for entertaining and family gatherings. This modern kitchen also features a gas stove and range hood for added convenience. Upstairs, you'll find all 3 bedrooms, including a master suite with a large walk-in closet and a luxurious master bath. The additional 2 bedrooms are generously sized at 12 by 12 feet each, perfect for kids or guests. Step outside to your fenced yard, offering a safe space for kids and pets to play. The covered patio is perfect for outdoor dining or relaxing after a long day. Don't miss this fantastic opportunity to own a new home in one of Destin's most desirable neighborhoods. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends for more amazing property tours. For more information, click the link in the description.